captured the radio station at Chittagong on 27th, and I had to go up in the air because I found the Pakistanis were concentrating very heavily in Chittagong, and they had started bringing in the 16th Division in the evening, and I met the declaration.
On behalf of our great national leader, the Supreme Commander of Bangladesh, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, do hereby proclaim the independence of Bangladesh. And that the government headed by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman has already been formed. It is further proclaimed that Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the sole leader of the elected representatives of 75 million people of Bangladesh.
কি বললেন একবার নিজে নিজে বলেন তো কি বললেন? জিয়াউর রহমান সাহেব বললেন, তিনি রেডিওতে যে বললেন 27 তারিখ বিকালবেলা যে আমি মেজর জিয়াউর, ইংরেজিতে বলেছিলেন, আমি আমাদের মহান নেতা